Hey family, welcome back to another video here on your fabulous channel with who? Your host, me, her. Welcome back. So I told you guys in a couple videos ago that we were going to be discussing 2022 home interior decorating trends. Now, that being said, I'm not necessarily a trend follower of things when it comes to home decor. I like what I like, even if it's considered not popping anymore. If I still like it, I'm going to put it in my space. That is what I want you to take from today's video, the same mindset, okay? Do not take this video to mean you need to go out and get all new stuff just to follow the trends. No, you do not. But what you can do, and what I will share with you in this video, is how you can incorporate certain things in your space if you want to stay in keeping with the current trends that is popping. And what is a trend? What is a trend exactly? It is simply what's popping right now. What's going on? What's the tea in home decor? What they say is nice, and whoever they is, I don't even know who they are, but what they say is popping, what they say will make your home look fabulous is basically what a trend is. And while trends typically recycle themselves and come back around, okay, as we all know, just probably with a little bit more flair or something that they've added just a little bit more to whatever that thing is, right? So we're going to talk about what they say the colors is for this year, what they say the fabrics or textures are for this year, the metallics or the metals that they say is popping, and shapes. Now, some of these items or things you may already be incorporating in your home. I know I am, and again, I'm not going to run out and change all of my decor to meet the trends. She's just not going to do it, sis. And by the way, I am drinking lemon ginger tea. I told y'all, listen, she's not playing about, okay? She ain't playing. I'm not playing with y'all. No, ma'am. So, let's jump into today's video. If this is something you think you may find interesting, then just keep on watching this video. And leave me a comment down below and let me know, are you a trend follower? Will you be incorporating any of these things into your home? Yeah, let me know down below. So I have taken notes, by the way, because you know this brain, honey. Listen, the brain is that of a what? 47-year-old lady. So the first thing we're going to talk about is how can you incorporate some of these ideas of trends into your space without breaking the bank. Number one, okay, I just told y'all in the last video, your girl is going to be doing a whole DIY channel. A lot of this stuff, I already foresee me recreating for a fraction of the cost. And a lot of times, that's really all you need to do. But again, everybody's not DIY savvy, right? So I'm here, as always, to show up for you and let you know that I can show you how to do certain DIYs, okay? So one of the first things, let's talk about the first thing, and that's color. What they say, whoever they is, say the color for 2022 is greens. Shades of green. Now, if you're like me, you like the colors that you like, right? That may not be your color, right? I never foresaw myself as a green person beyond greenery. Tip number one, incorporate greenery, live or faux, into your space. We all know as interior design lovers that greenery, flowers, plants, adds that warm factor and that lively feel into your space anyway. So adding in greenery into your space per the trendy color, you're already there. Another inexpensive way to keep up with any trend, that's any trend. If you like to go and change things up as far as trendy stuff, a very inexpensive way that you can do that without breaking the bank but still be on trend is through throw pillows. Throw pillows, throw blankets, a few accessories that you could spray paint even to bring whatever that trending color is into your space. Very simple. Very simple. Less than $10, give or take, right? To bring that color into your space. Now I will say, I have been a fond of, for quite some time, of green accent furniture. Even though I always lean more toward blue, for me, here are some pieces of green furniture that I absolutely love. I would definitely in another life incorporate this into my space. I could foresee that beyond the trend because I've always liked green furniture and mustard color furniture as an accent. Even though, again, I always lean towards the blues, which is my happy color. Blue is my happy color. If I'm going to do a color, or hot pink. Those are just my go-tos, right? Another thing that they say, what the hell is they? Say is a very trending thing for 2022 is textured pieces. Now, if you know me, you know, and if you follow me for any length of time, then you do know I love incorporating texture through throw blankets or pillow variation, different types of pillows into my space. That's how I bring in texture. That's how I've always brought in texture. I just love soft things. So the popping thing now is the whole boucle stuff, which is very, like a very soft sheep. When I see that furniture, that's what I think of. Sheep. Soft, sheep, warm, cozy vibes is what I get from it. And I would definitely enjoy a boucle piece. I think I would. Me being the person that I am. I will say this. Me, her, I have a hard time, and I'm going to work on that this year. One of the things I work on as far as my interior design goes. When I want to change out my pillows, always have, but this year I'm going to make a change. I will get rid of the entire pillow. And a lot of pillows that we buy nowadays is literally a pillow cover over a pillow insert. So you can remove that cover, keep the insert, and just replace just the cover. I will get rid of the entire pillow. Out the door, goodbye, go, and I'll buy a whole new pillow and start the process over. So that's going to be one of the things that I work on just across the board for myself this year when I change out pillow colors. It's going to be more of a focus on the pewters, the brushed silvers, the chromes even, right? Now, those, and I don't know that it ever will be, my go-to metallic. If you know me, you know, okay? She is definitely a gold metallic girl at heart. It is so much gold in this house that it don't make no sense. That is my go-to metal, and I don't think it will ever change. And if I wait long enough, as we do with any home decor, it'll come back around again. It'll be what's popping once again. So for me, it's gold. Let me know, what is your metallic of choice? Are you the person who can do both? Now, if you do know, back in the house days, I was definitely both gold and silver. And I had one level that was just dedicated to gold metallics. I think the basement was more of my golds. Downstairs at the house was the gold life, and then upstairs was more of the silvers and the high polished silver stuff. So I did at one point love it, but I had just found that silvers, the way my ADHD is set up, silver triggers my brain to overprocess and just, it goes haywire. So for me, it's gold. It's warmer. It's calmer. To me, it's richer. So that's my metallic of choice. Again, let me know down below. What's yours? Odd shapes. Odd shaped decor is, I think, going to always be popping. I feel like an easy way to incorporate odd shaped things into your space is through smaller pieces of decor, like vases or sculptural pieces that you can put on a bookshelf or style a coffee table with. Is a great way and an inexpensive way to actually do both. Bring in that color if you choose to, bring in those odd shapes. I loved odd shaped things. I currently have odd shaped things in my space. Things that I've either made over, upcycled, found someplace. I just love odd shaped stuff. And for some reason, odd shaped things take me back to the 70s. I don't know why that is, but it just does. So yeah, that's a great way to incorporate the odd shaped stuff, or stuff that doesn't necessarily have straight lines, all the way down to furniture pieces that could have an odd shape or geometric type shape to it. That's what they say is popping for 2022. You may have already had these pieces already in your space, sis. And if you have, shout out to you. Do not run out and buy a whole bunch of new stuff for the trends unless you just that person. Now, if you are, by all means. But if you just kind of want to incorporate a little bit of it and sprinkle it, throughout your space, to me, these are easy tips and ways that you can do that without breaking the bank. Also, another popping thing this year, which I don't know why they feel like it was this year, because I feel like 2021 it was popping. I recall a while back it was popping, so I don't know what makes it so different this year. But rattan, anything rattan or wicker, if you will, is back popping again. Now, if you are like me, like I love so many interior decorating styles that a lot of that to me is it just makes sense, and I don't mind bringing it all in together and mixing it up because I like what I like, as you should in your own space. Decorate your space however it makes you feel good, period. Trends aside. So anything that's in that boho chic vibe, as far as the wickers, the browns, the warm, soft tones, is popping for 2022. Go figure. I thought they was popping last year, and I do remember a couple years ago it was popping. So see how things just keep coming back around and coming back around? You can catch that Ferris wheel at any point in your life when it comes to home decor. You just can. Another thing that they say is popping for 2022, go figure, wallpaper. Now, y'all know your girl been on the wallpaper bandwagon for quite some time now. If I love it, I love it. I don't care what they say. If I want to bring it into my space, I am. But when I was looking to change out this wallpaper, I looked at so many wallpaper designs, and there's so many choices now that you can go with, from the peel and stick. Now, this is actual paste wallpaper, and I always go for the wallpaper that you have to add just water to activate the paste. Never do I really use the kind you paste on. Like, that's just a bit too much. But this is actual wallpaper. But if you can't do this, say you're in an apartment and you, or renting a house or whatever, you're a renter, and you want to add this extra situation into your space, peel and stick wallpaper is definitely a thing. It's been a thing, okay? Target sells. Now, I feel like, just me personally, I feel like peel and stick wallpaper is super expensive. I feel like it would be more for me to do a peel and stick wall than it would be to do an actual wallpaper. Even though wallpaper can be expensive as well, you just have to pick your battles, okay? Wallpaper, regular wallpaper, peel and stick wallpaper, stencils that you can paint on that look like wallpaper. They have 3D wallpaper that they sell. They have removable wall coverings, just like panels that you can put on your wall to bring in an accent wall. That's doing a lot in your background, in your space. If that's the route that you want to take. Wallpaper. Just love some wallpaper. I love some wallpaper. Where can I add some more wallpaper? Maybe even the bathroom. The bathroom, I feel like, would make a good wallpaper spot. I'm just more or less the one wall wallpaper person. I feel like, depending on the wallpaper or the space even, too much wallpaper probably would send this brain into a whole frenzy, and we can't have that now, can we? We can't have that. Now listen, I don't know if this video was helpful. I hope that it was helpful to you. If you are a trend follower, if you want to be partial, or if you want to just incorporate a little bit of the trends into your space, hopefully I have helped you to figure out how you can do that without spending a ton of money to do so in your space, okay? Again, let me know down in the comments if you're on board with the trends, if you just like, girl, I don't care nothing about it. Don't matter to me either way. You just love what you love and you're going to do what you do, just like Auntie. Let me know that down in the comments as well. And that being said, I am going to catch you beautiful people in the next video, whatever it might be. I love you guys. Send money back. Bye, y'all.